How can I remove lint from my black clothes?
Hello everyone. Today, we're going to tackle a common problem many of us face, getting rid of annoying lint from our black clothes. Lint can make our attire look untidy, but don't worry, we have easy and effective solutions to deal with it.
What is lint and why does it stick to our clothes?
First things first, understanding what we are dealing with. Lint is tiny pieces of fabric fibers that separate from the surface of clothes. They can stick due to static electricity or because of the nature of the fabric itself. Darker clothing, like black clothes, tend to show lint more visibly, making it a pesky problem for those who love wearing black.
Using a lint roller.
One of the most effective tools for removing lint is a lint roller. A lint roller is a roll of one-sided adhesive paper on a cardboard or plastic barrel that is mounted on a central spindle, with a handle. Here's how to use it. 1. Unroll a layer of the adhesive paper. 2. Roll it over your black clothing in a back-and-forth motion. 3. Once the paper is full of lint, simply peel off the layer to reveal a fresh one. 4. Repeat the process until all the lint is gone.
Using tape.
If you don't have a lint roller at hand, don't worry. Clear sticky tape is a great alternative. Simply, 1. Cut a piece of clear tape, wrap it around your fingers with the sticky side out. 2. Press it onto the clothing and lift. The lint will stick to the tape. 3. Repeat the process until all the lint is removed.
Using a fabric softener or dryer sheets.
Another way to combat lint is by using fabric softener or dryer sheets during your laundry process. 1. Fabric softeners can help reduce static electricity, which can attract lint. 2. Dryer sheets can also help reduce static and leave your clothes lint-free post-wash. Remember to follow the directions mentioned on these products for optimal results. Dealing with lint on your favorite black clothes can be frustrating, but with these simple and effective methods, it becomes a manageable task. We hope this guide helps you keep your black clothing lint-free and looking sharp. Until next time, keep your clothes clean and lint-free.